Yeah.
Can I ride the swing?
Go, Aiden. Kick, kick. Saw the ball. Go get it. Get it. Sige, anak. Oh. Aba. Yeah. Kick, kick, kick. Oh, he wants to hold it.
Kick.
Kick, kick.
Close.
Turns.
Kick.
Funny? No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Come on. You can get it.
He's like,
Distracted by the grass.
No.
What's this?
oh,
Who's that?
he likes grass.
Aba,
Now it's grass before it's sand.
baka maging ano to herbalist.
Discovered grass.
Does he go in grass a lot?
A little bit, not
just
much,
a little bit,
but
yeah.
he has. We usually don't let him touch it because usually dogs are passing around it.
No, that makes sense.
Yay! You want to go to the barn?
Aiden!
Where there's big spiders?
Saya?
Let's visit
Ang
some
saya
cows.
naman.
Oh!
Woo! Look at Uncle Rob.
He likes it. That was like the sand in the water before.
Yeah, I know. He's
If he likes
exploring,
something, he'll start patting on it.
exploring nature.
Nature.
Nature is good. Nature is beautiful. Oops, and itchy. Ayan, aba. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, anong gagawin mo?
Oh, he's watching you guys.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Uh-oh. He wants out?
Handball.
Not yet.
Handball.
Come on.
Kick it.
Says there's so many things to do here. Why not? Aba. Nasilaw. Ay, kawawa. Oops, okay lang anak. Okay lang. Kaya mo yan. Sige, tayo. Tayo. Wow, yay!
I can't run that fast.
Look at him go. Aba, he's just waddling. Parang duck. Oh, ano? Ano nakita mo? Uh-oh. It's okay. It's okay, anak. Baby. Okay lang. I can do this. Kaya mo yan, anak. Sige. Kaya mo yan. Ay. Yay! Oops. Okay lang, anak.
Haba na.
Oo nga, no?
4.5 minutes.
Oh, ayan,
Ikaw rin ba?
natuwa na naman ako. Natuwa na naman sa grass. And there he goes.
Good walking.
Yay!
He walks well with sneakers.
Go get the ball.
Go! Get it! Go!
Try to catch Judo.
Ah, it's okay!
You get it.
Kaya mo yan, anak. O, tayo uli. Tayo uli. Up, up, up.
Yay!
Yay! Okay lang. Okay lang,
Head first.
anak. Okay lang.
It was like on the side.
Okay lang. Ang galing gumulong.
Yeah,
Parang
good
sa
job.
judo. Oh, pahinga muna.
He's like,
Pahinga.
I'll sit now.